Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Learn Database Management System with Anuja Rai. In my previous video, we have seen the introduction of the database. Right? What do you mean by the database? Now, in the today's session, in the today's video, I am going to teach you the basic terminologies of the database. Now, see here. In the previous lecture, we have seen what do you mean by database? Database is nothing but what? It is a collection of similar type of information, correlated information. Collection of similar type of correlated information. Now, today we are going to see the basic terminologies of the database. Now, database is a collection of information. As we have said, information is nothing but what? The data or information which describes a particular object. And the collection of this similar type of information collected in one table, that will be called as a database. In the previous video itself, we have seen the database uses the table object to store its information. As we all know, tables are organized by the columns and the rows. Now, the view that displays the database as a combination of rows and columns is called as a database. Now, in our general language, we say that table is made up of the columns and the rows. But in the database terminology, or we can say in the database language, the columns are known as a field. Columns are known as a field names and the rows are known as the records or the tuples. Now field names are nothing but the column names. They identify the different categories in the database. For example, in the previous example we have seen, like as if you want to store the student information as a roll number, name, percentage, address, phone number, class, college, then these titles of the columns are known as the fields, right? They gives the information which type of data you are going to store into the particular column. And fields are the same. These are the categories in the database which displays in the columns. Now see here. See this example. Now this is a student database. Here in the tabular format, we have stored the collection of similar type of elements. 5 records we have stored, or 5 student information we have stored, which consist of roll number of 5 students, name of the 5 students, course of the 5 students, and the address of the 5 students. Now this is a tabular format. Now as we all know, roll number, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is a course is a third column, and address is a fourth column. And this is a first row, this is a second row, this is a third row, this is a fourth row, and this is a fifth row. Now in the database language, this roll number, name, course, and address, these are called as a field or attribute of a database. If I give name to this database as a student database, then the roll number, name, course, and address, these are called as an attribute or fields of student database. Roll number will be attribute 1, name will be attribute 2, course will be attribute 3, and address will be attribute 4. And this is a first record or first tuple. Now see here, roll number is 1, name of the student is Ram, his course is BTech, and his address is Delhi. He lives in Delhi. This is a one single information of Ram student. And in the similar fashion, we have collected the data of the 5 students. That's why we can call it as a database. Now, this first row will be called as a first record of the student, or in another language, the tuple, T-U-P-L-E, tuple of the student database. This is a first tuple. Then this is the second tuple. Roll number is 2. Name of the student is Sham. The course is BTech and the address is Mumbai. Third is Sita, fourth Geeta, and the Raju. You can give any names. This is just the information. You can give any names. You can collect any type of information, any student information in this database. Now this is a tuple 1, this is a tuple 2, this is a tuple 3, this is a tuple 4, and this is a tuple 5. And collectively the attributes and tuples can be called as a database or the table, right? And these are the data values or the cells. Now Sham, Ram, these are the data value. One is a data value. The single field, the single data item will be called as a data value, right? Or the field. Got this information? Okay, thank you.